Little Early English Education.
Hello, Super Learners! Today we're going to draw and color a very, very big number. Number block 200. First, let's draw his main body. Draw a big rectangle that is 10 squares wide and 20 squares tall. Whew, this is a very big shape. Now let's turn this big shape into a grid. Draw 19 horizontal lines going across to make all the rows.
Let's draw a sun so golden, a big and happy face. That's one bright sun so shiny, lighting up this place. Now two big clouds so fluffy, floating in
What's
the sky.
the number that
One to their
comes
right and puffy,
after 10?
watching us fly by.
11. What's the number that comes after 20?
Draw a sun so
21.
golden, a big and happy face. That's one bright sun so shiny, lighting up this place. Now two big clouds so fluffy, floating in the sky. One to their white and puffy, watching us
Next,
fly by.
draw 9 vertical lines going up and down.
From 1 to 10, we're learning. Hooray, 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 hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new. Now let's count some little things, the colors that we see. 3 little green trees swaying happy as can be. 1, 4 bright orange flowers blooming in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden grow. 5 busy little
We
brown
have
bees
so
buzzing
many
around the
little
trees.
squares.
Wow.
Wow, 200! That's so big! Now for his face in details. Let's start with his glasses. Draw a pair of big round goggles right near the top of his body. Next, draw the outline of his 2 big round eyes inside the goggles.
Happy, happy day. From 1 to 10, we're learning. Hooray, hooray.
Below his eyes, draw his wide, happy smile. Now, let's add his arms. Draw his 2 short, curvy arms on either side of his top body. And for his legs, draw 2 strong legs at the very bottom. For the final touch, let's draw his number badge. You did it! Your drawing of number block 200 is all ready. Let's make him colorful. It's time for some color. Let's bring our giant number block to life. Let's start with his eyes. Find your black crayon and color the insides of his big round eyes.
That's right. I'm made of 2 wonderful hundreds. 100 and 100.
Now grab your purple crayon. We'll color his big glasses with this color.
Let's draw and then we'll play. Grab the crayons, markers too, a paper nice and white.
What's the number that comes after 40? 41.
I love
Drawing, coloring, counting fun.
What's the number that comes after 50?
1 to 10,
51.
hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too.
Next, let's color his mouth. Use a light pink to fill in his mouth and make it look happy. What's the number that comes after 70? 71.
Now 2 big clouds so fluffy, floating in the sky. 1 to their white and puffy, watching us fly by.
Now for his arms and legs. Use a dark brown crayon for his 2 curvy arms. And then use same dark brown for his legs and bright orange for his shoes. My favorite color is red. What's your favorite color? Let me know. We're using so many different colors today. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple, and pink. These are the colors of a beautiful rainbow. My eyes are like big circles, and my body is a rectangle. Can you find other circles and rectangles around you? Finally, the biggest part. Grab your orange crayon and color his whole body. That's all 200 blocks.
Drawing, coloring, counting fun. A happy, happy day. From 1 to 10, we're learning. Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Wow, this number is so big. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wow, you're a super counter. What's the number that comes after 90? 91. If you had 5 blocks and I give you 5 more, how many do you have now? 10. How many fingers do you have on one hand? 5. Now, how many on 2 hands? 10. What's your favorite number? Tell us. Did you know we can also make 100 with 2 groups of 50? Can you find a group of 50 on the screen? Look at this color. It's so bright. Can you find something in your room that's the same color as this one?
Let's draw a sun so golden, a big and happy face. That's one bright sun so shiny, lighting up this place. Now 2 big clouds so fluffy, floating in the sky. 1, 2, they're white and my little hands are ready. What shall we make today?
It feels great. I love being orange.
Grab the crayons, markers too, a paper nice and white. Let's make a happy picture with colors shining bright.
I'm so colorful. I'm ready to count all the way to 200.
Learning, hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new. Let's draw a sun so golden.
Hooray! You did it! Your number block 200 is complete and looks absolutely amazing. You just created a masterpiece. And you learned that 200 is made of 200s. 200s? That's double the fun. Double the hundreds, double the power. Give yourselves a big round of applause. We'll see you next time for more number block adventures.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.